right, we got a soft close, full overlay hinge. All right, now what this is telling us is that we need 3 millimeters away from the edge. We need to drill a hole a 1/2 inch deep. And we need that hole to be 1 3/8 inch wide. So since we need 3 millimeters from the edge, I'm gonna take this, I don't know if you can see it, but it's got 3 through 6 on there. So it means we turn it to 3. And since I wanted our hinges to be exactly 4 inches off on each side, that coincided with the exact edge. So I put it exactly to the edge. And you clamp it down. It's got some fancy little holes right here on each side. Use a 1/16 inch to pre-drill for your screws. And then once it's all clamped in, this guy slides into place, snaps in, and this has a 1/2 inch spacer on there. So you just got to go ahead and drill it right in. So again, I'll just show you live speed, how this works. So you take it, and you line it up with wherever you want your hinges to be. Mine just happens to be with the exact flush edge. You clamp it down. You take your 1/16 inch drill bit, and you pre-drill your holes. It's easier with 2 drills. And then you take your drill here, snap it into place. Sometimes it's a little bit of a pain, but snap it into place. And you drill your hole. I already drilled mine. This is just an example for you. And I'll show you the finished product. And this is what it will look like for you. Your hinge will just rest nicely in here. You can drill your screws in. And this is what the finished product will look like.